What is going on, traders, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm glad to have you. On this channel, I go over key levels and catalysts that I'm focusing on, along with a watch list of stock tickers that I may trade. In this video, I'll be going over my watch list for the trading week of September 4th, 2023. Let's get to it. All right, first up, the catalyst. Now, on Wednesday, we get the Fed Beige Book Report. Now, this report is published 8 times a year, where each Federal Reserve Bank gathers information on the current economic conditions within their district. And they get this information through reports from bank and branch directors. They also interview key business contacts, economists, market experts, and other sources. Now, the Beige Book is just one of the many inputs that the FOMC committee uses to formulate monetary policy, mainly through adjustments in the federal funds rate. All right. And lastly, we have Fed speakers on Thursday and Friday. Let's take a look at this week's earnings calendar. All right. So as you can see, we have a short week, and couple that with earnings season winding down, not too many companies are reporting, but the ones I'll be paying attention to will be Zscaler, C3AI, DocuSign, and Kroger. Let's get started with the watch list. All right, first up is going to be Bitcoin futures, ticker symbol /BTC on Thinkorswim. And here I have it pulled up on the 4-hour time frame. Now I pay attention to Bitcoin's price in order to play miners like Mara, ticker symbol MARA, Riot, ticker symbol RIOT, or sometimes even marketplaces like Coinbase, ticker symbol COIN. Now right now with Bitcoin sitting around 25,800, in order for me to consider it bullish, it has to get above 25,900. And if it does, then I'm looking for it to test the top of this weekly imbalance candle from back in March, around $26,800. Now on the bearish side, which will be the better play, if Bitcoin can't hold 25,400, then it could possibly drop all the way down to around 22,800. So keep these levels on your watch list and let's see what happens. Up next is Walt Disney, ticker symbol DIS, and here I have it pulled up on the weekly time frame. Now, the last time we covered Disney, we were watching $79 as a strong support from back in March of 2020, and so far it's held it. Now with the stock sitting around $81.50, in order for me to consider it bullish, it has to stay above $79, and if it does, then I'm looking for it to run right back up to around $90. Now on the bearish side, if Disney cannot hold $79, it could possibly drop down to around $67.50. So keep these levels on your watch list and let's see what happens. Up next is Nflx, ticker symbol Nflx, and here I have it pulled up on the daily time frame. Now the last time we covered Nflx, we were watching to see if it would fill this gap between $458 and $512. We didn't quite get there because it sold off from earnings. Now right now with the stock sitting around $440, in order for me to consider it bullish, it has to hold $440. If it does, then I'm looking for it to test the bottom of this gap again around $458. If it gets above that, $476.50. If it gets above that, it could end up anywhere from $500 all the way up to around $512. Now on the bearish side, if Nflx cannot hold $440, it could drop down to around $400. So keep these levels on your watch list and let's see what happens. Up next is Meta Platforms, ticker symbol META, and here I have it pulled up on the daily time frame. Now the last time we played this one, we were watching these monthly imbalances of 300, 270, and 240. And we got a nice play out of this one once it broke beneath 300, ruled it all the way down to around 270 before it reversed. Now right now, Meta's sitting right back up here around $300. So in order for me to consider it bullish, it has to break $300. If it does, then I'm looking for it to run right back up to around $317. Now on the bearish side, if Meta cannot break above 300, then the first level I'm looking for it to test is going to be around 288. If it can't hold that, 270. So keep these levels on your watch list and let's see what happens. All right, and the last one I want to talk about today is Kroger, ticker symbol KR, and here I have it pulled up on the weekly time frame. Now the company reports earnings before the market opens on Friday, and right now the stock is sitting around $46. So in order for me to consider this one bullish, it has to get above $46. And if it does, then I'm looking for it to test the top of this channel right here that has been sitting in since January of 2022, and that's going to be around $50.25. Now on the bearish side, I will mention that Kroger and other retailers have been having a massive problem with retail theft shoplifting. Now, if Kroger does mention this within their earnings report, it could cause this stock to sell off. Now, with that being said, if Kroger cannot get above $46, it could drop down to around $42.80. So keep these levels on your watch list and let's see what happens. And that is the end of the video. If you found value, smash that like button and please consider subscribing to the channel. I set up a website at blazestocks.com where I post my videos, screenshots of stocks that didn't make the video, along with personal finance articles. So check it out when you get a chance. Also, if you're looking to get started with investing, check out the pinned comment in this video for a link to Webull, where you can get up to 12 free stocks for signing up and depositing just 1 penny. Here's wishing you a prosperous week of trading, and until next week, talk to you later.